Hey, good morning. So I decided to make one more video showing you guys my morning regimen, something else that I do in the morning for wellness and health with these O2 drops, these liquid stabilized oxygen drops. So the other day I made that first video. See, I just washed my face. And so now I'm oxygenating my skin cells. So I already told you about improved complexion, helping with acne. I don't have to wear foundation anymore like I used to feel like I had to do, and helping with anti-aging and wrinkles. Okay, we went over that. Then I told you how you do your eyes. All right, you do your eyes for blurred vision, helping people with floaters and people who have cataracts and what's the other thing? Cataracts and glaucoma, reporting great benefit and all that. Now today, the other thing I then do is this. Now I'm gonna swallow because I'm talking to you, but putting O2 drops underneath of your tongue, like 15 drops, then holding it there between 45 seconds and a minute, and then swallowing is something that you definitely want to do for your body. So listen to this, guys. You can do your own research. Don't just take it from me. I want you all to research the power of oxygen. Research liquid stabilized oxygen, the benefits of oxygen. Go to Google or whatever and do your homework on this. But I can tell you this, that cancer and disease cannot thrive in a well oxygenated environment. You see, cancer is anaerobic, meaning it needs a lack of oxygen in order to grow. Hint, hint. Also, all pain, all suffering, all disease can be traced back to a lack of oxygen at the cellular level. So, Otto Warburg, who got the award for the big prize for his work in medicine, said that all pain, all suffering, all disease can be traced back to a lack of oxygen at the cellular level. So there's oxygen in the air, just enough for us to live and survive, but not enough to thrive. You can't do deep breathing, get enough oxygen in your cells to have your body to heal itself. Now, deep breathing is a good wellness practice, but you need to get the oxygen right into your cells. So do your own homework on this and really learn. There's not a lot of people out there in the space that I am talking about oxygen products. They talk about some products that may create oxygen in your body, but this is straight liquid stabilized oxygen straight into your cells. The only product I know of is kind of like this, that's pH balanced, so safe you can use it in your eyes and a baby can use it. It's a proprietary blend mixed with minerals, and also you know this. Vitamins are important, but vitamins don't even work in the body in the absence of minerals. So you got to make sure that you get your minerals and you correct any mineral deficiencies that you have. So that's just some extra wellness information for you guys as well. So as I have been saying, the best thing to do is to get a full 30-day supply of O2 drops to try it out so you have enough time to really experience the product. But if you do just want to sample, this is just like a little 5 to 7 day supply. I'll put the address. Well, just ask me for it and I'll tell you where to get it. You got to go online and you can get your free sample. You don't even have to pay for shipping. Like, it's totally free for you. No credit card. No credit card needed. But then there are some people like, I've been hearing about those O2 drops. Let me just go ahead and get a 30-day supply. Oh, one more thing. 30-day supply does come with a money-back guarantee. But the other thing I wanted to tell you is that, like, have you heard about oxygen therapies? And even like NFL players are getting into these, purchasing $20,000 for hyperbaric oxygen chambers. When you go to like Asia and countries like that, they have oxygen bars because they know the importance of getting that oxygen inside of you. Oxygen therapy, a lot of doctors are doing that now, but you got to pay like thousands of dollars or $300 per session. You don't need to do all that. You just oxygenate your cells every day with these O2 drops right here and put your body in the best shape to stay healthy. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys that information. Again, don't take it from me. I want you to do your own research and Google some stuff and you'll be like, oh my gosh, Bunmi is right. Why is anybody talking about cell oxygenation? Well, I am. Take heed to my word. Y'all have an awesome day. I'm off to the gym. Bye bye.